In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of extracting images from document files using 4N6 Image Extractor tool. To install the 4N6 Image Extractor tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool offers the user with 3 document categories: Document, Excel, and PowerPoint. The user can choose one of the available options. Each option allows the user to choose from various document file types, including Doc, DocX, RTF, ODT, ENEX, PDF, and more. Let's select PDF option for this tutorial. It further enables the user to choose files or choose folders. Choose Files option to select single or multiple files. Choose Folders option to select the entire folder at once. Click on Choose Folder option and select the folder containing PDF files. And click on Select Folder button. A panel showing the list of selected folder or folders containing PDF files will appear on the left. Click on any folder to view its contents. A panel will appear next to it showing the list of all the PDF files, and here you can view the number of files within the folder. Contents of the PDF files can be previewed on the panel on the right. Users can switch between pages using the arrow keys at the top of the preview panel. They can also search for a specific document file. Now let's see the extraction process. Click on Export button and select Extract Image option. Location bar allows the user to select the destination path for the extracted images. Click on Browse button to select the location. Delete Old Folders button will delete all the old folders. Enable or disable it using the button next to it. Delete Old Folders button will delete all the old folders. Enable or disable it using the button next to it. Convert Images to Grayscale option will convert colored images to black and white images, if any. Enable or disable it using the button next to it. Resize option can be used to resize the image before extracting it. When the resize option is enabled, the user can adjust the height and width using the boxes next to each option. Image Quality Level option can be used to adjust the quality of the image or images. Adjust the image quality using the box next to the particular option. Image Export Type option can be used to choose image export format such as JPEG, JPG, PNG, BMP, GIF, TIFF, etc. for the extracted image or images. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the extraction process. Click on the Save button and the extraction process will start. Shortly, a pop-up will appear on screen indicating that the trial version will apply watermarks to extracted images. To remove this restriction, user will have to purchase a license for the software. Click OK, and a new window will open, displaying the folders containing the extracted images. You can then open any folder to view the images. Return to the tool. Here you can view the export summary, which includes the file name and the export image count. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.